Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to add background text in Capcut. Open the Capcut app. Choose the video you want to edit. Now add the text. Customize the text as you like. Change the length of the text to be the same as the length of the video. Now export this video. Then edit the video that you just exported. Click on Overlay. Add the previous unedited video. Click on the cutout background. Then click on Remove Background. Wait for the background to be removed. Now your text is in the background of the video. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.